welcome to Allah BM3 channel. Today I discuss about an experience of a sudden electricity failure. Let's go guys. An experience of sudden an electricity of a sudden electricity gone failure. Electricity failure. Let's go guys, let's go. It was the eve of my final examination. I was preparing myself for the exam at night and suddenly electricity went off. It was summer, so the air was extremely hot. I was reading English at that time. My preparation was yet to finish, so I was in a hurry. The unexpected incident interrupted my study. I really felt disappointed and exasperated. Disruption of electricity at such a moment was a nuisance to me. I had to keep my books closed and put them aside. After a few minutes, my mother came with a candle. I had to remain idle without electricity for more than an hour. I could not take proper preparation for the exam for want of time and electricity failure. The other examines of our locality had to gather some experience. Actually, electricity failure is not a very rare incident. The city dwellers of Bangladesh have to go through the incident almost every day. Okay guys, how was my video? Please subscribe All Have BM3 channel and also like, comment and share.